How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Bit of the road. Right. Just got this here printed. Now this here was done by a relative of mine. She owns this company here. Now this is not a paid endorsement. I did not get this here free. I'm just doing this here as a favour to a relative. She owns this company here, Print Express, and that's the number on it. Her name's Michelle. So anyway, that there's enough of the sort of the kindness of the road. Right, what do you think? Right, lock packer, huh? Nice, isn't it? Right, let's get down to locks here. That's what we're here for. Okay. This here is a Union Assa Abloy. Now this is no chippy, and it's a big boy. Let's see now, it weighs some weight in my hand. She's 100mm from the shackle down to the bottom of the lock, and she is that there, she's about 68mm wide. It's unusual, but beautiful lock. Beautiful lock. As I say, it may be hard to see that there, Assa Abloy, but she is gorgeous. She's a Union. Now this year's not mine. This year's is Chris Capone's. I just want to show you this here. Oh, it doesn't come out. I thought there was one of those sort of ones that come out. This shackle's very thick. Very thick. No. That's got to be 12 or 13mm thick shackle. I don't want to try that without our lock just in case it comes out. I don't know what this wee bit here is. Hold on a second, this has got to do with that shackle, because I feel that their shackle moving and pressing this wee button here. There's a wee bit of I don't know what that is. Chris, this is on its way to you. I'm going to post this here on Monday, Chris. I'm obviously way too late now to post it. Chris, this here's for now one for Chris. He bought this one here. He bought that one as well, by the way, just in case you might be thinking. This one here is a bit of an odd one. It only turns to just a wee tiny wee fraction. Huh? And that's it. I don't get it. It doesn't turn the whole way around. But this is Chris wanted, so he's got it. You see, where is that? This is another one he's getting. In fact, and it only turns just a wee tiny wee fraction. And that's it. I thought it turns the whole way around, but it doesn't. So, anyway. Right. This here is a World War II Union padlock. There's a wee inscription on it there. I don't know. W-I some D. You see it there, just there, not there thing there. We slides up. It's a wee lever lock. Beautiful wee lock it is. I think I might have shown this before. Someone tells me I might have shown this before, because I remember this wee sort of thing. I might have shown this one before. Don't know. I don't know. Right. Might have shown this one as well. This is a Yale. Another beautiful lock. This is more of a new one, that's what it is, to be fair. Beautiful lever lock. put them to my collection. Now, this is a gorgeous wee Union all brass lock. Now she is no more, I'd say she's girly range. She's 33mm wide, and I like it. She has to pull up her. This is not stuck, by the way. This is just the way this is. This is working perfectly. I meant to show you the keys in these things. Oh, sorry about this. I forgot. That's the key fit there. I want to show you Chris's lock, by the way. That's this big Union Abloy. Assa Abloy. I meant to show you the key button on that. Sorry about this. I'm sort of. I've got many things to do. I forgot to show you a key button on that there. That was a key button on this. The key button for the rest of them really doesn't really matter. Now, these two here I got from Germany. Abus. Now, this to me looks like a cheap lock because it feels very tinny looking. I don't even know how this even opens. Does it even open? What does? I try to push it up and it sort of goes this way here. It's a bit sticky on it. But she's a nice wee lock. Nice wee lever lock on it. That's the key button on it. Nice. I'm trying to keep all the keys together. This came with the same package. This came with the same deal as that other Airbus. She's another nice wee lever lock. Why is this not? I don't know what's crack is here. Alright, I had it open in the first place. Nice wee lever lock. Right, last one. I know I should have had this off the key rings or keys. This is just an ordinary draper. She is, I think, 60mm, 50mm. I think she's 50. Yeah, 50. She's 50mm wide. She's an old draper. And that's the key button on it. Right, everybody, let's say that there's going to Chris. That there's going to Chris, and that there's going to Chris. So he's going to have some wee package, and there's all our stuff going to Chris. So Chris, this is going out to you on Monday. It's too late in the day for me to do the e-posting it. So everybody, enjoy what's left of your weekend, because I say this is late on Saturday in UK. So have a great time. Right, bye bye.